Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo Sobat Alipers, semoga hari ini selalu bahagia dan diberikan rezeki yang berlimpah oleh Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa. Amin. Seperti biasa, kali ini kita akan menyaksikan para reaktor dunia sedang memeriksa cover Alip Ba Ta. Bukan tanpa alasan Alip Ba Ta dikagumi para musisi dunia, karena kemampuannya di atas rata-rata. Itu pernyataan yang sering kita dengar dari para gitaris dunia. Kali ini kita akan melihat musisi dan reaktor dunia sedang memeriksa cover Alip Ba Ta. Bagaimana keseruannya? Mari kita simak bersama-sama.
What's up, Gentle Folk? Gently here, and we're back at another reaction. We are checking out some more Alip Ba Ta today. More has been requested quite a lot, but we're going to check out Buried Alive by Avenged Sevenfold, his cover of this.
As always, I guess that is kind of maybe one of his signature things that he does.
That he already uses these harmonics. I am not really sure in the original. I haven't listened to it enough of times to really have paid attention to it, but I don't really know in the original if they also use the harmonics in the guitar play. Somehow I think the original is played on an electric guitar, even though it's a clean sound. It doesn't always need to be distorted. They can use a clean sound on an electric guitar as well.
So far, he's doing this kind of interesting mix of like this sort of finger style with more of a strum technique, and he's kind of going back and forth. And I find that interesting as someone who isn't particularly good at finger style. It's interesting to see someone kind of just go back and forth from strums and finger style. Just, you know, interesting stylistic.
How it does this, like the tapping, like he does this like tap on the top string there, which adds this just such a nice touch to it, and it's insane. One thing I want to note, apparently the Toxicity song that I reacted to, he sings in that, but he doesn't actually sing in many or any of the others, so he's not going to sing in this. This is just like an acoustic cover, I guess, of Buried Alive. But yeah, it's awesome.
Like, he does the guitar part, which is the most obvious, of course, but he also does the bass, and now he's including the voice as well. But he's doing basically all three of them together on the one guitar. That just always blows my mind how he does that.
Actually listened to Buried Alive, like the real version, in a little while. But I feel like it's a little bit more repetitive than what he's doing. So he's really like kind of trying all these different things and like not repeating himself and just sort of making each piece of this sort of distinct and unique. And that's really cool. I mean, it's obviously harder than just kind of like playing the verse and chorus like the same way over and over again. I mean, I feel like you can really see that he kind of like pushed himself to make every part of this unique and different.
Players on stage, especially, you would see like they're making these faces like, oh, this is so hard to play, right? Sometimes it's just play to entertain, right? But like with Alip Ba Ta right here, yeah, you never see him making these faces. It's just like it's just like a random day. It's just like another day in his time off, just playing the guitar.
Keseruan para musisi dan reaktor dunia yang mereaksi cover Alip Ba Ta. Semoga teman-teman semua terhibur. Dan jangan lupa like, share, dan komen agar tidak ketinggalan video berikutnya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah mengunjungi channel ini. Tetap semangat dan selalu bahagia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.